got a bone to pick with you.
Yeah, I was sitting by myself, enjoying 2 Snacker Jacks in a world of my own. And then Leanna came over and she let loose.
How dare you say that comment about me when you didn't even know me? Why the would you say that? What, because I'm a stripper and you can just say, oh, I'm gonna chuck her and then have the posh girl?
It was lad chat.
Lad banter? How's it lad banter? Do you know how bad that makes me look? You say you're a gentleman. How is that gentlemanly at all?
It was lad banter.
Sorry, but how the is Adam a gentleman when he says he's gonna chuck a girl as soon as she comes into the villa?
Not getting involved.
Silly comment to make, and I apologise sincerely.
You don't look very sincere. You're eating your Snacker Jack.